Good morning class. Here we'll do the doubts of exercise 2.2 from page number 35, and this is the 10th question on this. By what number should we multiply 2 upon 9 be multiplied to get 40? It means the answer is 40 and we don't know the one number, so we have to multiply, we have to find that number. So we'll keep this mixed fraction in the simple form, which comes 56 upon 9, and we'll send this number to the other side, and you can divide 40 and 56 will divide by 2, so you'll get here 5 and here 7. So 5 9s are 45 and 7 will be as it is at the. In this second question, in the 11th question simplification, we have to use the BODMAS formula. As I explained you the first question in the previous video, you have to use that formula here also. Here is the number of these fractions. We have to, first thing we have to do this is mixed fraction all be coming in the simple form. Here is mixed fraction, simple form, mixed fraction, simple form, mixed fraction, simple form, mixed fraction, simple form. Then second part is to off, change the off part into multiplication, so this we have done here. Now next part is to divide. Here is the divide sign, so we have to change this divide sign into the multiplication sign, and the number which is here, it will be reciprocal. So this is 8 upon 9, so it comes 9 upon 8. Then the next part is multiplication. Here is this fraction, this fraction, and this fraction is multiplication, so we can cut this. This can be divided by 3, so 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. This can be divided by 2, so this 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 and 4 2s are 8. Now here 9 divided by 9, only 2 left, so 1 upon 2. Here 2 and 3 were left, so 6. 2 3s are 6. Now plus sign, and there only 1 upon 2 left, so 1 upon 2. 8 divided by 8, and 3 is stable, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and this is negative, so the minus 3 will become here. Now you can see there is no number in the denominator, so we'll take the LCM, which comes 2. In one stable 2 comes 2 times, 2 6 are 12, and this will be same as it is. And in one stable 2 comes 3 times, 2 times, so 2 3s are 6. Now this 13 and minus 6, so 13 minus 6 upon 2, 7 upon 2. Here is the second question. Here is the third question, which is given here on the book on page number 35. Here is this, again make the all simple forms of this mixed fraction. So here 13 upon 2, 1 upon 3, divide sign, bracket, this will be 11 upon 2, this will be 9 upon 2, minus, this will be 7 upon 3, 7 upon 3, and this will be 3 upon 2. You can see in this, first we have to do the smallest bracket clear in this. So you can see this is positive and this is negative, so I have cut this here. Only 3 upon 2 will be left here. Because outer bracket is having minus sign and inside it is minus, so it will change this sign, so this becomes positive. Now in this again we have to solve this part, so you can see the LCM will be same, and this will be 12 upon 2. 12 upon 2 is here. Now that will be same. Now we have to solve this, so this will be remain 2 only, so this will be 11 minus 12, 12 minus 11, so 1 will be left, and this negative sign will be greater, so 1 upon 2. Now here divide sign will change everything, this will be changing sign, and this will be remain minus only, it becomes reciprocal, and then it will be minus 3 upon 2. This will be minus 2 upon 3, because 1 will multiply by this. Then the LCM will be 6, and this 6 will be, you know the procedure of doing this. This will be minus, and 39 minus 4 will be 35 upon 6 is the answer in this. Here is the exercise 2.1, question number 8, in which it is asking to what is the how much times it 5 times of 6 upon 25. So 6 upon 25 multiplied by 5, 5 divided by 25 5 times, so 6 upon 5 will be left here. Now 43 upon how much is 7, 7th of 43 upon 21. It was an mixed fraction, make it in the simple form, and then make multiply by 7. So 7 1s are 7, and 7 3s are 7 3s are 21. So this will be remain 43 upon 3 in this. Then ninth part is that the total juice is given 1.5, which means it is 1.5, so it will be coming in fraction simple form 3 upon 2. It's asking that each get the 1/5 part of that juice, so this multiply by 1 upon 5. So this is coming 3 upon 10, and you know the divide, how to do the divide. 10 divided by 10 divided by 3, so place the point here, you'll get 0 here, and then 10 multiple 10 3s are 30, and this will be 0.3. Answer is 0.3, but in ml how many each friend will get the juice? It is 300 milliliter. One more thing is that do not ask the questions on the next day, because this is the question of exercise 2.1. whenever I'm asking, do the submit your doubts on the same day till 5 o'clock please, because I make the videos at night. So please do not make send your doubts on the next day in the morning when you are going to give this. Thank you.